ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तः शान्तः शान्तिः। Please repeat. अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरमसन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयुन्
आयुम्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओम्
ऐ औच्
ऐ औच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लङ्
न्यामाणनम्
न्यामाननम्
जभै
झभै
घढधश्
घढधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगददश्
खफछठथ चटतौ
खफछठथ चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अगुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋडुरशानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपूपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
न्यामाङ्गनानां नासिका च
न्यामानानां नासिका च
एदैतोगो कण्ठथालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौ दोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जह्वामूलीयस्य जह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
let us chant the supratyas, the suffixes, the pratyas which are added to the noun base to get the noun forms. Su aujas,
su aujas
out shas,
out shas
ta bhyam bis,
ताभ्यां भिस्
ne bhyam bhyas,
नेभ्यां भ्यस्
ngasi bhyam bhyas,
नसीभ्यां भ्यस्
nas os am,
नस् ॐ आम्
ni os sup,
नि ओ सुप्
su aujas.
सु औजस्.
These are called sup pratyaha. Then ting pratyaha, tip, tas, jhi,
तिप् तस् झि
sit, tas, tha,
सिप्तस्थ
mip, bas, mas,
मिप्पस्मस्
mip, vas, mas. Okay.
मिप्पस्मस्
Ta, atam, jha,
त आता झ
thas, atham, dvam,
धास् आथां ध्वम्
it, vahi, maging.
इट् बहि महिन्.
Then you can chant this also. What we have learned, Rasa Sutra. Ukalo jasvadirgha plutaha.
ऊकालो झस्व दीर्घप्लुतः
अच्छश्च
अचश्च
उच्चैरुदात्तः
उच्चैरुदात्तः
नीचैरनुदात्तः
नीचैरनुदात्तः
समाहारः स्वरितः
समाहारः स्वरितः
मुखनासिका वचनोऽनुनासिकः
मुखनासिकावचनोऽनुनासिकः
तुल्यस्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णम्
तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णम्.
Then Vartika ऋलवर्णयोर्मितस्सावर्ण्यं वाच्यम्
ऋलिवर्णयोर्मितः सवर्ण्यं वाच्यम्.
ऋलवर्णयोः मितस्सामर्थ्यं वाच्यम्. Usually they are savarna. Then next one. Najalau
नाज्झलौ
Anudit savarnasya cha pratyayah
अनुदित्सवर्णस्य च प्रत्ययः
taparah tatkalasya.
तत्परः तत्कालस्य.
10 sutras we have seen. Anudit savarnasya cha pratyayah and taparas tatkalasya. So here in the sutra, savarna, the word is used. So we should know what savarna is. What is savarna? Tulyasa prayatam savarna. Without this sutra, you cannot understand this, right? That is how sutras are connected. So that is why I made like this. Savarna Sanya introduced first, so that when you read the sutra, you understand what is savarna. Otherwise, savarna, you will not know what it is, right? So savarnam is tulya asya prayatram savarnam, having the same place of pronunciation. Asya and prayatana is abhyantara prayatana, internal effort. So two varnas are said to be savarna if these two are same. Then this sutra savarnasya, anudit savarnasya cha apratyaya says provided if it is not a pratyaya. Don't confuse this pratyaya with suffix. This pratyaya meaning ordained. Otherwise, we can understand pratyaya means adesha. It should not be an adesha. It should not be ordained by the sutra. Then unletters will bring it savarna. These are examples. Udit, Udit, there is no such condition. It can, whether it is vidiyamana or avidiyamana, whether it is pratyaya or apratyaya, it can bring it savarna. Right? The next sutra then we saw. If I don't want to bring all the forms, then I can restrict only to that letter, that matra alone by adding takara. Right? This we saw in the last class. Taparaha tat kalasya. You can see that. Taparaha tat kalasya. So anudit savarnasya cha pratyaha. You can see an pratyahara and udit. Udit stands for ku, chu, tu, tu, pu. So those bring the savarna in addition to themselves. This happens when an is not ordained up pratyaha. Okay, then for taparaha tat kalasya, that is, if you want to restrict only that letter, a tapara varna, that is a varna which is followed. A varna means unletter. A unletter which is followed by a takara, or unletter, or if it is preceded by a takara, both way we can take because of the samasa possibility. Anyway, you can take for now followed by takara because we have not seen samasa. Samasa, taparaha is a samasa, it's a compound. Tatparaha, that is panchami tatpura is a samasa. If you take it a bhubrihi, taha paraha yasmat, that is also possible. Yasya, taha, takaraha, paraha, yasya. That is also possible. That's why two possibilities are given here. A varna which is followed by takara, or a varna which is preceded by takara. Varna which is preceded by takara is tatparaha. A varna which is followed by takara is takaraha, paraha, yasya, saha. So whatever it is. So it will bring savarna forms only for that matra alone. Okay. Understand?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
when you say at means only akara. Akara means rasva akara, udata, anudata, swarita, anunasika only. Not akara, not pluta. Understand? No dirgha. Yeah.
I have a doubt here because previously the sutra said that it brings all the savarna, all savarna forms. But there in the example, it says only the without the savarna.
Bring only akara.
Yes. But in the sutra is not saying all the savarna for akara.
Means all its forms are understood, not a dirgha, not a pluta. Being rasva, being ekamatra, the sutra says tatkalasya. Tatkala means only to that matra, that unit of time it takes, whatever unit of time. If it is short, only restricted to short verbal. Short verbal udata, short verbal anudata, swarita, anunasika, anunasika.
Okay.
And also, your what you ask is correct. Here I have written only akara. I have written only akara. I have not written it as anudata. I have not written swarita. I have not written it as udata. Not written as anunasika, because those things and all in the grammar you will not see participating. So those things I have excluded. For us, not required. That's why I have removed all those things. At means only akara, because in sandhi and all, there is no anunasika, there is no udata, there is no swarita and all. No, not that. Just it's only in the swara when this in the comes. So for our practical applications, all these things are not required. That's why I didn't consider. Okay, I removed that. You understand?
Yeah, this sutra is restricting this sutra.
This sutra restricting only to akara. Only to akara means akara can bring rasva akara can be udata, anudata, swarita, anunasika, ananunasika, right?
Yes. This
All
is
the six. All the
provided
six.
we add this takara.
Takara.
If
Yes.
this takara is not there,
Yes.
we
Then
should
you can
consider
bring
all savarnas.
all the 7, all the 18 forms.
Okay.
And also here I wrote only akara. It means for all our practical application, we can just consider ananunasika akara. Because sandhi and all in the language we are going to use the words, right? The words what we the spoken language or in the or in whatever text we study. We are not going to add anudata vowel to a swarita vowel. We are not going to add, right? Yadi plus api. Yadi e plus a, that's all. Yadi, whether it is swarita, anudata, what is that? No. In spoken, there is no swara. Only in the Vedic there is swara. Only in the Vedic there is anunasika, right? The swara, anunasika, nasalized vowels are there only in the Veda or in the mantra shastra. Similarly, udata, anudata swaras are only in the Veda, not in the language, spoken language. So therefore, for all practical purposes, I took it as ananunasika, non-nasalized, simple, rasva, short vowel, simple. Non-nasalized, short vowel. Anunasika, rasva. So at is equal to akara, it is equal to ikara, ut is equal to ukara, rut is equal to rukara. Iti. So for all our practical purposes, you can note this. For our practical purposes, even if I say when it bring its savarnas, 18 forms, but our practical purposes, language purpose, we can take it as or a. That is enough. You don't have to bring all the 14 because we are not going to use that, right? The language. The language,
Yes.
it is only the words, there is no swaras involved. There is no nasalized pronunciation involved. So as you take only a or a for the words what we use in the language, spoken language. Therefore, when I say at, you exclude a, only a. That's the idea.
Okay.
Is it clear?
So
Yes.
this
Yes.
in other sutras we see in the future
Which
this
one?
it will appear like akara or at this.
Exactly. Yeah. Either it will be a, which means you have to consider, or it will be at. It means a. This is what you have
Okay.
to note it. Yes. Right?
Okay.
Yes. All the other savarna, just for your information, all the 18 forms, that is not required for our practical applications. Right?
Like he's preparing how it will be told in the future.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Understand?
And this sutra is being generalizing for all Vaidika and Laukika, but in the practical we only use Laukika.
Laukika, yes, you're right. Laukika, yes, Laukika. This sutra is generalizing. This is sutra generalizing, whereas I took it only Laukika. Practically, the language what we use, only this short and long only we use. In fact, Pluta and all we don't use. Pluta we use only when you call somebody. Hey Rama, suppose Rama is distance, then I call him. You have to call Rama, then comes Dirka. But when you speak, you don't say Rama Gachati. We don't say Ramaha Gachati, Rama Gachati. Only Rasva Dirga, right? There is no Pluta even in the language except when you call someone. You want to have the attention of someone, then you call. The person is at a distance, then you call him. Only in fact, we use Pluta. If that is so, what to talk of Anunasika, Udata, Anudata, Swarita, not there, right? So, therefore, for our all the Vyavaharika, we can take practical Laukika Shabda, we can take this to be A means Rasva Dirga. But as stands for all the 18 forms, that's good, that's a knowledge. That is knowledge, okay, fine. But we will take A or A. If it is At, only a. That is what this sutra says. Taparaha tat kalasya. Clear? Yes? Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. 10 sutras we have seen. So this sutra, this is also restricting the, it's called Gragaka Sutra, restricting the vowels which are brought in, which are restricting the vowels. That's called Taparaha Tatkalasya. Okay. Taparakaranam we call. We call it as Taparakaranam. Taparakaranam means Takara is put after the letter. Takara is put after the letter. Taparakaranam. Restricting only to that matra alone, that unit of time alone. Okay. Then the next sutra we will see. Halonantaraha Sanyogaha. You see here, I say it as Sanyogaha. You can call it as Samyoga or you can call it as Sanyoga, your choice, no problem. Right?
Okay.
So this sutra is located in the first chapter, first section, 7th sutra. So here you can see, you have to split. First you have to split to understand the words involved in that. How do you split? What are the words? Sandhi, Vicheda.
Yeah.
What do you
Hala.
Alaha, Alaha, then Anantaraha, then
But
Samyoga.
for this Anantaraha, for this Akala there shouldn't be there. Oh yeah. Oh,
Yeah, that is
Anu.
choice. Okay, that's not a must. Okay, that is my wish. I mean, it is a publisher's wish. Need not be there. Be there. It is given only for the sake of the reader's understanding, easy understanding. That's all. If I don't put, also you have to understand.
Oh, okay.
Provided if you know what is the context. Otherwise, you will be confused. For you to split easily, this is given. Now you will split
Oh.
Alaha, Anantaraha. If I suppose if I don't give, then also you must be able to split, provided if you know this. If you know what this, then you will, Akara is there, which is not seen. Pururu, some sandhi has happened. Pururu pasandhi. Okay.
Yeah, but with this, maybe it could be Hala Unantaraha.
There is no Unantara in the language. There should be some
Okay.
some valid word, right? Word should be valid.
Okay, yes.
Yeah. What you say, Alaha Unantara. Yeah, why? Hal Anantaraha also possible. So many possibilities you can say, but the word should be there in the dictionary.
Yes.
Right? So Anantara is there, Unantara is not there. Okay. Okay. Now you split this. Alaha. Alaha is Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. What is the Pratipadikam? What is its noun base? I mean, Shabda. What is Shabda?
Hal.
Yes, Al. How do you decline this? Like what Shabda?
Hal. This is same Marut.
Yes. Marut, Maruto, Marutaha. Hal, Hello, Alaha.
Halaha.
Okay, I want you to note this word because I use this. Pratipadika. You know what is Pratipadika? Because I use that word.
The noun base.
Noun base. Please note, I will use this word. The
Okay.
Shabda, what we
Pratipadika.
use, you can say Shabda. Shabda is okay. Shabda is also, but the Shabda we use those who don't know grammar. Those who know grammar, when we talk to grammar students, we use Pratipadika.
Okay.
When we talk to the students non-grammar who don't know grammar, then we use a Shabda. But you are grammar students now, so we should use this word Pratipadikam. Okay, you can use that word. Similarly, when Pratipadikam Shabda, then you say Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Rama Shabdaha, Ramaha, Ramo Ramaha, right? That Ramaha, Ramo Ramaha, we call it as Namapadam.
Namapadam, yes.
The words. Padam. Padam is a technical word. Please note. We will define Padam also later. Similarly, this also I want you to know. Dhatuhu. Dhatuhu is ekavachanam, verb. Okay. So now you see, Pratipadikam plus the Suprataya, what we saw, that 21 Pratyas, right? You add, what you get is Namapadam.
Okay.
Example, for example, Rama plus Su, that is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya, Su. I just copy this. Rama plus Su, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya, you get Ramaha. So Rama is a Pratipadikam. Su is the Supratyaya. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya, what we chanted. Su, Aujas, Outshas. Then you get Ramaha. How we get Ramaha, that we will see later. That involves a lot of rules. You have to see what is Su, etc. So this Ramaha is Namapadam, Su is Supratyaya, and Rama is Pratipadikam. Clear? Similarly, Dhatuhu plus Ting Pratyaya. Dhatuhu plus Ting Pratyaya becomes Kriyapadam. It's called Kriyapadam. Example, if you take Pat Dhatu, Pat plus Tit, Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam, suppose if you do third person, Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam, then what we have is Patati, right? Patati is Kriyapadam. So Kriyapadam, this is a Pratyaya, Ting Pratyaya, and Dhatu, right?
Uh-huh.
So you can be familiar with these terms. Kriyapadam and Namapadam. Namapadam, otherwise I will call this as this Pratipadikam plus Supratyaya. This whole thing is a Padam, right? Whole thing is a Padam, right?
Correct.
And the Padam ends with what? Pratyaya. What Pratyaya? Supratyaya. Therefore, I can call it as Sup Antaha, Subhantaha, I can call Subhantam. In other words,
Okay.
I can call Subhantam. Subhantam means that which ends with Supratyaya. Subhantam, that is Namapadam. Similarly, here it becomes Ting Antam, Tingantam. Tingantam Padam. Understand? In fact, that is a sutra. We have a sutra. Sup Tingantam Padam. We will see later. Padam is defined. What is a Padam? Sup Tingantam Padam. Subantam Tingantam Padam. Padasanya. Okay.
Nice.
This additional information. So I will use the word Pratipadikam. Please understand it is noun based. Similarly, if I use Subantam, you know it is a Namapadam. Tingantam means Kriyapadam. Okay. This is some. We will see what Pratipadikam technically, everything we will define later. Now here, Marut Pratipadikam, Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam is Marutaha. Similarly, Hal Pratipadikam, Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, Halaha. Okay, then Anantaraha. Pratipadikam is Anantara. Right? Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, Anantaraha. So Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. Rama Shabdavat. Similarly, Sanyogaha, that is also Rama Shabdavat. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Now, what does it mean? Sanyoga is a sanya, it's a name, it's a definition. Anantara, now we have to write the sutra like this. There is no anuvrittis here. Therefore, Sampurna Sutram is Anantaraha alaha sanyogaha. It means this sutra defines a sanya, sanyoga. Therefore, this is a sanya sutram. It's a definition sutra. What does it define? That is, alaha means, what is alaha? Alaha means hal. Hal means all the consonants.
All consonants, yes.
Anantaraha means no gap, no space, no pause between the consonants. It means one consonant followed by another consonant immediately. There is no gap, there is no verbal intervention. There is no vowel in between. So that is called a conjunct consonant, right? Conjunct consonants, we know. Suppose you have Krishna. Here, Kakara plus Rikara plus Shakara plus Nakara plus A. What is this? Conjunct consonant. This consonant, Hal, followed by another Hal, and between them there is no vowel, there is no space. Space in terms of the Ucharanam, when you pronounce, you don't give space. There can be space between the two words. For example, Al, I'm just saying grammar itself. Al, Lopaha, something like that. This is one, this is another one. This is one word, this is another word. This word ending with Lakara and this word beginning with Lakara. In between them, space is there. So this is not a conjunct. Understand? This is not conjunct.
Yes.
Whereas this is conjunct. A consonant followed by another consonant without any vowel intervention or gap. That is called Sanyogaha. That is what the definition is. Now you see, Swarasya, Swara means vowel. Viramaha, Viraha means pause, space, gap. Viramasya, Vyavadhanam. Vyavadhanam means gap. The gap either because of pause or because of vowel not there. Uchcharitanam Vyanjananam Samugaha, for the collection of the consonants. A group of consonants not Vyavadhanam, not intervened by a vowel or by a gap is called Sanyogaha. Sanyogaha Namna Nyayate, known by the name Sanyoga, conjunct. Anantaraha means Vyavadhana Rahitaha. Vyavadhanam means gap, space. Rahitaha means absence, devoid of space. Anantaraha. Consonants devoid of space is called conjunct consonant. Consonants are called conjunct consonants. Two or more consonants which are not separated by a vowel or a pause are called Sanyoga, conjunct consonants. Right? Understand?
Yes.
This is also a sanya, an important sanya which we'll be using it. Next one. You can see the example. Kritsnam, Takara plus Rikara, then Takara plus Sakara plus Nakara, then Akara plus Sam. Now here, Takara plus Sakara is one conjunct, and Sakara plus Nakara is one conjunct, and whole thing is also conjunct. Anyway, you look at it, it's a conjunct, right?
Mhm.
Takara and Sakara, between them no vowel, no gap. Similarly, Sakara and Nakara, between them no vowel, no gap. No Vyavadhanam, no gap. Anantaraha. So Alaha, consonants. Anantaraha, no intervention, either by vowels or by pause, is called conjunct. Therefore, this is a conjunct consonant. Okay.
Okay.
Right. This is Sanya. Next Sanya is, okay, you can see that Sutram. Alonantara Sanyogaha. Where is that? First chapter, first section, 7th Sutra. Do you see?
Yes.
Alonantara Sanyogaha. So Sanyoga is defined here. Okay. Then
Mhm.
the next sutra we will see. Next sutra is Rasvam Laghu. Laghu. This is a
Rasam Laghu.
Rasvam Laghu. Another Sanya Sutra. Laghu is a Sanya. Defining the term Laghu. What
Okay.
is Laghu? Rasvam Laghu. Rasvam is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. You can decline like Palashabda, Palam Pale Palani, Napumsakalinga. In grammar, we don't have any linga. Okay. Don't ask Rasva is what linga? Napumsakalingam or Pullingam? No, no linga.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes we will say Rasvaha, sometimes we will say Rasvam, our choice. The grammar, we cannot find out the linga because we are talking about the letters. What linga letter will have, right? A word will have linga. A word, which are used in the language, that has lingam, but not the letter. So Rasvaha. Rasvam Lagu. Rasvam is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, and Lagu, that is the name. So that is defined. Here you can see all the Sanya Sutra will be in Pratama Vibhakti. The Sanya will be in Pratama Vibhakti. Lagu Sanya Pratama Vibhakti. Sanyoga Sanya Pratama Vibhakti. In the previous it's only Savarna Sanya Pratama Vibhakti. Tulyase Prayatnam Savarnam, what we saw, right? That is also Pratama Vibhakti. You can see here. Savarnam. Savarnam, what Vibhakti? Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachan. Tulyase Prayatnam Savarnam. So all the Sanya Sutras will have Pratama Vibhakti only. Either Ekavachanam, Divachanam, or Bhagavachanam, that doesn't matter. Okay. Now here, Hrasvam Lagu. So Rasva, short vowel, has got the name Lagu. Short vowels are called Lagu. How many short vowels are there in the language? How many?
A, I,
14.
R.
5. A, I, O, R, L.
Okay.
They are called by the name Lagu. Short. Of course, you can bring it Savarna, then it is okay. Anudata, Udata, Swarisanga. But these are the 5. This is okay. Lagu. Okay. Now you can see. Rasvaha. So when I use the word Rasvaha in the language, I write Rasvaha in Pullinga. But in the Sutram, it is in Rasvam. So therefore, Linga doesn't matter in grammar. Okay. But when I write the Vritti, I will write Rasvaha, Swaraha, short vowel. Lagu Sanyakaha Bhavati gets the name Lagu. Sanyakaha gets the name Lagu Sanya. Rasva letter gets a Sanya Lagu. Now you take the example. Bid. Here, what is a letter getting gets a Sanya Lagu? Ikara.
Ikara.
Bakara plus Ikara plus Zakara. Ikara is short vowel, therefore Lagu. Similarly, in Rama, Repa plus A, then Makara plus A, Akara gets a Sanya Lagu. Similarly, in Hari, Hakara plus A, Repa plus E, here Ikara as well as Akara also Lagu only. Okay, that also Lagu. So I have not marked it, but you can note it. That is also Lagu. Akara and as well as Ikara. Akara and Ikara. They are or Lagu. Lagu Sanyakaha. The next sutra. Sanyoge Guru. Guru means not teacher here. Guru means not Krinati, Upadeshati, Guruhu, Acharyaha. No, that is not the clear technical term, Guru. Guru can mean teacher. Guru can mean something which is very heavy. Generally, Gurus are heavy, bulky body. Generally, all the Gurus are fatty people, right? We say for joke in the monastery, in the mission. Generally, all these sadhus look very fatty. They say Guru. So Guru, yeah, Guru, really Guru, fatty. But
Yes.
In the sense of fatty, it is Napumsakalinga. Guru, Guruni, Guruni. In
Yes.
Pullinga, Guru teacher means Guru, Guravaha. But here it's a Sanya. Neither Guru, neither the teacher nor the Evi. Doesn't refer to any of them. Here is a technical term, Guru. Referring to the vowel. What vowel? Sanyoge. What is Sanyoga? Already defined. Sanyoga, already we defined. Alonantaraha, Sanyoga, conjunct, right? We defined Sanyoga. So Sanyoge Guru means what? Now, what is Sanyoge? What Vibhakti Sanyoga is? Sanyoge is Saptami. Like what Shabda? Rama Shabda, right? Rame, Saptami. Rame, Ramayogo, Rameshu. So Sanyoge, Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachana. Sanyoge Guru, it means when a conjunct consonant follows, right? When a conjunct consonant follows what? Follows rasva, follows a short vowel. Rasvam coming as anuvritti. Now, I will show you the sutra. 1-4-11. First chapter, 4th section, 11th sutra. You can see. First chapter, 4th section, 11th sutra. You see the screen? First chapter. This is, you can see here. 1-4. First chapter, 4th section, right? So first
Correct.
chapter, 4th section, and it is 11th sutra. Now down you can see number 11. Rasvam Lagu, number 10, that is 10. Already we have seen, right?
Yes.
Rasvam Lagu, we have seen. From this sutra, Rasvam coming as Anuvritti for this sutra. So Rasvam Sanyoge Guru, that is Rasva letter, short vowel, when followed by a conjunct consonant, gets a Sanya Guru.
Okay.
Conjunct consonant, when conjunct consonant follows, even a short vowel gets a Sanya Guru. Otherwise, it will get a Sanya Lagu only. Otherwise, it is Lagu. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
Rasvam Sanyoge Guru. These three words that makes a sutra complete. Let's see. Rasvam is Anuvritti. So, therefore, Sanyoge means Saptami. When conjunct consonant follows, that is the meaning of the Saptami. It's called Parasaptami. We'll talk about that later, but you can note Parasaptami. We have got Saptami, many types of Saptami. Parasaptami, Vishaya Saptami, Sati Saptami, Aupashleshika Saptami, Adhikarana Saptami. Like that, many Saptamis are there. Saptami Vibhakti.
Oh,
Not only
okay.
its locus. That is one Saptami. There's so many Saptamis are there.
Yeah.
So this is Parasaptami we call. Okay, Para means follows. Followed by. When followed by, that is the meaning. So when conjunct consonant follows, then follows what? Follows a short vowel. Then that short vowel gets the Sanya Guru. Okay. Sanyoge, you can see Sanya Sutram this is, and therefore Sutrartha is Sanyoge Pare. Pare means follows. When conjunct consonant follows, Rasvasvaraha, short vowel, Guru Sanyakaha Bhavati, take the Sanya Guru. Understand?
Oh,
Right?
only the Hraswa? Dirgha, no?
Dirgha, already Dirgha. We will see that Dirgha, what will happen to Dirgha. We'll see when
Oh.
Sutra comes.
Okay.
So when a conjunct consonant follows, the preceding Harasva vowel gets the Sanya Guru. Example, see. You take Nind. Nind is Nakara plus Ikara, then Nakara plus Dakara. This is a conjunct, follows the short vowel. Therefore, E will be called Lagu or Guru.
Guru.
Guru, not Lagu. So you cannot apply Rasvam Lagu. You cannot apply 1-4-10. This you cannot say. It is, you cannot say that Rasva, therefore Lagu. No, because it is followed by a conjunct vowel. Sorry, conjunct consonant. Similarly, Pantaha, you can take Pantaha, Pakara plus A, then Nakara plus Takara plus Aha. So this conjunct consonant follows a short vowel Akara. Therefore, here Akara is called
What?
Guru. Clear?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
But the vowel changes the name from Hraswa to from Lagu to Guru. But the pronunciation changes also.
No.
The time, the time.
No. That is nothing to do. Rasva is Rasva. Dirgha is Dirgha. We are just giving a name to Rasva as Lagu and Guru. That's all.
Okay.
Nothing to do with the time. That term Lagu and Guru we are going to use in some other sutra. Vidhi Sutra we are going to use. That you will understand why it is. Okay.
Okay. This looks a little bit as a Grahaka Sutra.
This What?
Looks like Grahaka Sutra.
No, this is not Gragaka. Why?
Because
Gragaka
how-
means saying one thing, it will bring all its paraphernalia. But here it is not, right? Here only we are
okay.
different. That's called
No,
Gragaka.
no, because restricting the
Restriction is not Gragaka.
previous sutra.
No. Oh, the restriction is there. Yes. Restriction is different. Niyamana Sutram, you can say. Niyamanam, restricting.
Oh,
That is
okay.
different. Yes. The
Okay.
sutra restrict the scope of Lagu Sanya to short verbal. Yes, that's correct. This sutra does the restriction of Lagu Sanya to Rasva. Lagu Sanya to Rasva. Lagu Sanya to Rasva is restricted by this sutra. Restriction only when conjunct consonant follows. Yes, that's correct. Not Garagaka, restriction. That is called the Niyamana Sutram, one type of Sutram we have seen.
Okay.
Sanya Sutram, Vidhi Sutram, Atidesha Sutram, Niyamana Sutram, Paribhasha Sutram, Adhikara Sutram, 6 types of Sutram we saw in the beginning. Now we are seeing only Sanya Sutra. Slowly we will see other types of Sutranis. Okay, now.
I think in last class was one Grahaka Sutra.
Anudit Savanasya Cha Pratyaha, that is Grahaka Sutra. That is Grahaka Sutra, not mentioned as a separate type. That we call it as a Grahaka Sutra. That's all.
Okay.
That is also Sanya Sutram only. We have to include that under Sanya only.
Okay.
Now, next one. Dirgham Cha. What is Dirgham Cha? You can see the Sutra Pata. Here, Sanyoge Guru, number 11. What is number 12? Number 12.
Oh,
Dirgham Cha. For this, Rasam doesn't come as Anuvritti. Only Guru. So, therefore, you ask me what Dirgha is called. Dirgha will be called Guru.
Okay.
Dirgha will be called Guru. So, Rasva will be called Guru when conjunct consonant follows. Dirgha will be called Guru. Okay, that's what. And Rasva, when not followed by conjunct, it is called Lagu. That is how this sutra to be understood, 10th sutra. Rasva, when not followed by conjunct, will be called Lagu. Rasva, when followed by conjunct, will be called Guru. What about Dirgha? Dirgha is Guru. Okay.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, let us see the sutra. So, what is Anuvritti? Guru. Guru coming as Anuvritti from the 11th sutra to the 12th sutra. Dirgham Cha. Cha means Guru Sanya ordained for, assigned for Dirgha also. So, Dirgham Cha Guru Sanya Bhavati. So, this is Sanya Sutra. Anuvritti is Guru. Pratama Vyakti Ekavachanam. Dirgha also Pratama Vyakti Ekavachanam. Therefore, this is Sanya Sutram. Dirgha Swaraha, long vowel, Guru Sanyakaha Bhavati. Long vowel gets Sanya, Guru, not Lagu. Okay, copy paste problem this is. We get Sanya, Guru. Dirgha letter get Sanya, Guru. Example. Aja, Akara plus Jakara plus A. Akara is Guru. What about this Akara? Lagu. Okay, this is Lagu.
Oh.
This is Guru. Similarly,
Okay, so is a Dirgha vowel and not necessarily be provided that is followed by the
no,
conjunct consonant.
no. Anything.
Anything.
Dirgha is Guru. Only for Rasva we have this condition, not followed by a conjunct. Then only it will be called Lagu. If it is followed by a conjunct, then it is called Guru.
Understood.
So, Akara is Lagu, Akara is Guru. Similarly, Dirgha, the word you take. Dakara plus Ikara plus Repa plus Gakara plus A. Here, I just gave this example. Followed by conjunct consonant, right? What follows? Dirgha. So, what Sanyat will get? Guru only. Already Guru. Ikara is Guru only. Therefore, Guru. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, Iha. E plus Hakara plus Akara. Here we have two gurus. Akara is also Guru. Ikara also Guru. Right?
Right.
Okay, very good. Then one more Sanya. Alontya. All these are Sanyas. Okay. Alontyat Purvaha Upada. Upada is a Sanya. Upada means penultimate. That's what the
Sorry?
sutra says.
Can you
Penultimate.
repeat?
Penultimate. Last but one. Penultimate.
Okay. Okay. Penultimate.
Last but one. So here, Iga. What is the penultimate letter?
Huh.
Akara.
Akara.
Last but one. That's called Upada. Here in Dirga, what is the Upada? Gakara.
Gakara.
Here, what is the Upada? Jakara.
Jakara. Okay.
So that Upada is what is Upada gets a Sanya. That is the penultimate gets a Sanya Upada here. Now you see. Alaha. You have to split the Sandhi. Okay. Alaha. Antyad. What Sandhi? Alo plus Antya. O plus A. You know, it's called, we call Purvarupa Sandhi. Anyway, we'll talk about the Purvarupa Sandhi and all later. The terms, what we use. So when you split this, what you have? Alaha. Alaha means, what is Al? This is Panchama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So, Pratipadikam is all the letters, not only vowels. Alaha means all vowels and consonants.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
All.
Yes.
So Al is a Pratipadikam. So Panchami Vibhakti, like Marut Shabda, Marutaha, Alaha. Antyat. It is Antyat, not Anyat. This is Antyat. Antyat means last. Antya means last. Alaha is letter. Purvaha is before. Therefore, last but before. Last but one. Purvaha is before. So that letter, which is before the last, is called Upadha.
Okay.
Antyat Alaha Purvaha Upada. Antyat Alaha. From the last, the letter which is before is called Upadha. It's a Sanya. Shabde Antyat, in a word, Antyat Purvam, before the last, Vidyavanasya, Varnasya, the letter which is present before the last in a word, get the Sanya, Upadha. Is it clear?
Yes, clear.
The letter preceding the last letter of a word is called Upada. Example, Krish, if you take Takara plus Rukara plus Shakara. Here Upada is Rukara. Nind, Nakara plus Ikara, Nakara plus Dakara. Here Upada is Nakara. Right? Upada
Yes.
can be a vowel or Upada can be a consonant. There is no problem. Upada means just last but one. Okay. And here E is Raswa or is it Laghu or Dirgha?
Guru.
Sorry, this is Guru. You can say Guru.
Yes.
Guru.
Guru.
Okay. Then Gam. Gakara plus Akara plus Makara. Here the Akara is the Upadha. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So many Sanyas we have seen. What are the Sanyas we have seen? If you just look back, we have seen starting from Stavarna Sanya. Then today we saw Sanyoga, then Lagu, then Guru, then Upada, right?
Correct.
Many Sanyas. The next Sanya is Vibhaktischa. Next Sanya, Vibhaktihi 1404. First chapter, fourth section, 104th Sutra. Vibhaktischa. Vibhaktischa alone, you cannot understand anything. So you have to bring the words from the previous sutra as Anuvritti. You split this. Vibhaktihi plus cha. So Vibhaktihi is a Sanya. You know, Pratama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, you say no? First case, second case. That
Yes.
Vibhakti, Sanya is to the pratyaya. The sanya is to the pratyaya. Please see here. Su, aujas, aujas, all these have the sanya. All these have the sanya vibhakti. All this. Su, vibhakti. Au, vibhakti. Just the pratyaya gets a sanya vibhakti. All enjoy the sanya vibhakti sanya. Okay. All are called by the name vibhakti. Okay.
Okay.
Not only this, even this also gets a sanya vibhakti. Therefore, tip is a vibhakti, tas is a vibhakti, ji is a vibhakti. Everything is gets a sanya vibhakti. Please note, right?
Okay.
That is what the sutra defines. Vibhakti. The sanya is important. All the sanyas will be using shortly, maybe in the next class. Now you see, padachhedaha, vibhaktihi, sha, vibhaktihi, pratama vibhakti, ekavachanam. Therefore, this is a sanya, right? And therefore, sutram is sanya sutram. Anuvritti, if you see, tingaha, supaha, you can see the sutra pata, 14104. First chapter, fourth section, 14104. This is sutra here, 14104.
Vibhaktischa. Yes.
What are the anuvritti you see? Vibhaktischa, supaha coming as anuvritti. That is supratyaya, what we saw just now. Sup get sanya, get a sanya vibhakti. And also, here thing is that thing. That is also coming as anuvritti here. So, the thing pratyas, 3 are the tiptasti, siptasta, 3. Similarly, supratyaya, 3 are the su, am, ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bhagavachanam, 3. That's why 3 means 3. All which are in 3, they get the sanya vibhakti. Okay.
Okay.
Now let us sutra. So, tingaha, shashti vibhakti ekavachanam. So, like marut shabda, ting is a pratipadikam. Supaha, sup is a pratipadikam. Marut shabdavat, supaha. Tingaha, supaha, vibhaktihi cha. Ting and sup add sanya vibhakti. Sup pratyayaha, ting pratyayaha. Vibhakti sanyakaha bhavanti. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Ting pratyas and sup pratyas, they enjoy the sanya vibhakti. Vibhakti sanya is very important. We'll be using that. Okay. Then next one. So sup pratyas and ting pratyas are called by the name vibhakti. How many ting pratyas? 18 pratyas. How many sup pratyas? 21 plus 3. Sambodhana same as pratama. That is why not included. You can say 21, 24 also you can say nothing wrong. 8 into 3, 24, right? So 21 pratyas. So 18 plus 21, how many pratyas? 39, right? These pratyas get the sanya vibhakti. Not only these pratyas, there are some more pratyas are there. I will just mention, we need not know much about that now. Later we will see when you grow to that level. Some pratyas in the beginning of the 5th chapter get a sanya vibhakti sanya. That is starting from the 5th chapter, 531, 5th chapter, 3rd section, 1st sutra, Prag Disho Vibhakti, that is a sutram, up to Shurpad Anyatarasyam, that's what sutra is that. 5326. Here also Vibhakti Sanya is ordained for some pratyas. So, Ting, Sup, as well as the sutras, as well as the pratyas in this range, 531 to 5326, they get the sanya, vibhakti sanya. Mainly, you have to remember this Ting Sut. This is for the later, not now. That will take many, at least 3-4 years. Okay, not now. We will not see vibhakti and tadita and now. So this is what is important now. Ting and Sut. Yatasanya Vibhakti. In fact, I have not taught all these things to even the my online class students, not yet come to that level. I've been teaching 7 years. We have not come to that level now. It takes time. Okay. Tadita I have not taught. Tadita Pratyaya, Sananta, Desiderative, Frequentative, I have not taught because we have not come to that level. It takes time. There is no urgency. In the course, we will just do like that quickly, fast. But online, we do at the leisure pace. Time is there.
Yes.
Hopefully, I will cover it. Okay. Anyway.
Yes.
So therefore, that is not our focus. This is the focus. Vibhakti Sanya. Okay. So now, what are the sutras we have seen today? You can see. Alonantara Sanyogaha, new sutra. Rasvam Lagu, Sanyoge Guru, Dirgam Cha, Alontyat Pura Upada, Vibhaktischa, right? So many sanyas we have seen. It takes some time for you to remember all these things. Please do some homework. Go through this simple. Okay. Next class, I'll be teaching you a prakaranam called It Prakaranam, the topic of It. A beautiful method, a system, a technique which Panajani Maharishi uses. You'll see that in the next class. Okay. That requires some introduction. Let us see. I will type and show you some introduction. I will type and either I will come prepared or in the class itself I will do it. Okay. Yeah. Do you have any doubts
No.
regarding the sanyas what we have seen? No. Okay.
We are preparing the
Hmm.
the field, the ground, like meaning.
Yeah. Yes. This is only
preparation, like
preparation only. Yes. First, we need to be see when I want to talk to you, I should know the language, right? The terms. Then only we can get into it. That's what we are doing now.
Nice.
Yes. After that, first Ita Prakaranam and all we will do. Then we will see Sandhi Prakaranam. Sandhi. Sandhi is the first topic. Yes. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll send you these notes, right?
Okay. Thank you. See you.